Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Virgo, we're going straight into your reading. We're doing your 5-card general future spread. Let's go. Virgo, let's see what your overall card is. Oh my God, I swear, my hands are getting smaller or these cards are getting bigger. Overall message is the Death card. Okay, so you're dealing with a Scorpio, Virgo, or I'm getting a sudden change. You're getting everything that you thought of all this time you were living your life, bam, something going to change. Now the change can be you live your life and bam, you can't use your legs again. You live your life, bam, you're blind, you go blind. You live your life, bam, you lose everything. One earthquake or a storm comes and mash up the whole of your house, you lose everything. This could also be a sudden change in your health. You're getting something fatal. Could be a heart attack or something like that, Virgo. But that's your overall message, okay? A Scorpio or the Death card. You're going through a change, a major change and transition. Virgo, I feel like you cut off your hair. Don't do it, you know. I feel like you've been the same way for a very long time and you're getting old and you're looking in the mirror at your old hair and you're saying, I feel old, I've been this way for all I can remember, so you got to change. Don't cut it off. I saw you born, I saw you for blood clot dead. I see so much people come here with locks, shave off them locks and put in weave. And I'm like, oh, that's what Canada does, huh? Canada took your soul, didn't you? Why would you leave from your African country, come to a country like Canada with your locks, and then shave off your locks and put in blood clot weave? For sure, you just want to fit in so badly, don't you? Don't you? What is your love situation? Your love is a Page of Pentacles. I'm getting right now, you're in love with your work, or whatever it is that you are working on. The Page turns to the Knight, which turns to the King. So maybe, it's either after somebody die, you're going to take over, or maybe getting somebody did pass, but you were so busy with work you never even realized, or you never got the memo. What's your career and money? The Two of Cups. Yes, something about a Scorpio or something about a Virgo. Died, they passed on, or they were seriously hurt on the job. Me getting something, you're going to get seriously hurt on a job, Scorpio, Virgo. I'm getting Pisces too. What's your health? Oh, we have Virgo, but we have somebody behind you. We have the 8 of Cups. So I'm going to take this as your health. Your health is Virgo. Virgo rules the health. So I'm getting your great. Your health is... Okay, so this is not your health, Virgo. Unless you have stage of death. Because your health is Virgo. Virgo rules the health of the zodiac sign. So you are absolute... If you get sick and dead, I must poison. Because I'm getting Virgo, you coming like the old man in Harry Potter who they take the cloak and death look for you and can't fucking find you. Virgo, I'm getting death is looking for you. They can't find you. They find your daughter, they find your son, they find your offspring, but death can't find you. I'm getting you're hiding behind your son-in-law. That's why death can't find you. Because you've been hiding behind your son-in-law. Or something like that. Let me see what your home life says. The Devil is your home life. So we have Capricorn, Virgo, Scorpio, Pisces. So, okay, so we have a Death card, Page of Pentacles, 2 of Cups. I'm seeing a death happen or a big change happen, and maybe you have a near-death experience. I'm getting as you come back, you're like, you know what, I'm going to pursue the girl I'm like. I didn't even lose my virginity and I almost died. Fuck this. I'm getting, yeah, the near-death experience, maybe at work. I'm getting cause you to pursue this woman. No, I'm getting your health and your home life. Your health is a secret. Your home life is hell. I don't know what the fuck. Unless somebody hurt them ex because they wanted to be with you. I'm getting somebody get rid of them ex because they want to be with you. Them type of man, they were like, no, I'm joking, I'm fucking joking. Them will kill you. If them kill them ex, they'll kill you. Like I was watching, I watched this story and the girl, how she said she leave her ex-boyfriend, she leave her boyfriend, things were just not working out, and she decided to go up on Tinder and start dates, and she dates, and she meet this guy, and the guy bring her one house, and then the guy take out a knife like him and stab her up. Or she lock herself in the bathroom, she go in the room and everything, look under the pillow, say one big blood clot knife. She run in the bathroom with the knife and lock it up. The guy come back in the room and look for her, she in the bathroom, him start to bang down the bathroom because she said she take up the knife from underneath the pillow. She called her ex-boyfriend and say, can you please help me, please, please? And he drove to help her. When she end up went back home, she asked her ex-boyfriend to stay with her, sleep with her. When she sleep, two of them sleep, have sex again, end up there back. In the morning when she wake up now, him go to the bathroom, she see the text one message from him phone from one unknown number. And she said she just pulled down the message for look. It's a message him send the message for, like him send one man the message for say, did they get her? And then the man send him the message say if you get her back. And him send the man the message for say, yes, me get her back. The payment is sent. So I'm basically pay this guy who this girl meet on a dating app for kill her, or we don't know what the fucking pay for do. Apparently, before the man could have killed her, she called her ex-boyfriend, not knowing that the ex-boyfriend set it up because he don't want her back. Be careful out here, ladies. Your ear be fucking careful. So you might be dealing with a Virgo. Me getting you know half of the shit the Virgo the Virgo will do, have done. Who the Virgo killed already, or what kind of blood clot summoning 5-star pentagram the Virgo has done. I feel like the Virgo has been doing witchcraft every fucking day to make sure you do not fall in love. So you may fall in love when a Virgo dies. Or me getting, if you do fall in love with somebody, not only do you have to fall in love with them have to fall in love with you too. If that happens, the Virgo dies. Because I'm getting the deal was, as long as you never find love, the Virgo will live. But if you do find love, and if the love becomes a love that is obsessive, we don't want to leave each other's side, we don't bound to each other, we don't want, if we don't become obsessive with each other, then the Virgo are dead. But as long as you're single, as long as you're not mixed with nobody, as long as you're not in an active relationship, the Virgo lives. So I'm getting your work and money life is tied into the life that you have betted upon this Pisces woman. So, like the hermit is holding a star, but I'm getting a you them a hold. Maybe not the Virgo is the one who's controlling your love situations, but I'm getting everyone you're going to be in is going to be the devil. Shark. But I'm getting again the death card. So you need to be careful. You keep on the magic on somebody love life. So them not go nowhere. Them can't be with nobody. You need to be careful, Virgo. You rule the feet. You rule the health. So your health can depreciate very, very, very fast. Unsolved mysteries. Maybe I'll get very sick and you don't know why. I trusted the wrong person. The Sun card. And trust no one, or maybe I want this one to get pregnant for a specific man. That's why you keep a mash up all our relationships. I'm just getting, be careful, Virgo, because sex will go nowhere, but you will. You don't have a lot of time left. As healthy as you think it is. You could have been healthy, have no ailment, and you just go outside and one man just lick you down with one car. You are not God, Virgo. So even though you are trying to play God in someone's life, I'm getting, you can play God. Because death is going to creep upon you. I'm getting before you know it, you're gonna pass. You need to be careful, Virgo. Of course, I'm not going to tell a clothed man to be careful. You're supposed to know the risk them you take. But what I can say is, you should know, just because you may be a warlock, there is more potent blood that's being burnt. So you might be in an industry for 70 years. The blood of a Messiah was born. No spell you can do can hold that person down. Going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.